Hello everyone, I am PD with you in Room322. Today we learn how to create dimension style. First, we open a new file. Set the drawing unit first. I will create architectural dimensions, so I set my drawing unit to architectural and unit as inches. First we draw a 5 feet line. Now we draw a dimension. It will show a default dimension style. It's showing 60 as we set the drawing unit as inch. Now we go to dimension style manager. You can use command D space. Here you will get a standard dimension style. We will modify it. Set the unit as architectural. Set the position as you want. I am setting it 1-4. Then go to text. Set text height. Then go to symbol and arrows. You can use as you want or follow mine. So everyone, if you not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments box. I will try to solve. Keep watching Room322. Then click OK, set current, close. Now you can see our dimension has already modified. Now it's showing 5 feet. You can see the text is quite larger, so we decrease the text size. Now it looks fine. So everyone, it's very easy to create your own dimension style. So everyone, keep watching Room322, keep practicing, enhance your skills. I will be back very soon with a new video.